Hi, welcome back to another episode of Notion Q&A brought to you by your friendly Notion consultant, Thomas. So today we have a question from Amanda B. So the question was, property not available in rollups. Basically what I understood is that, so this person has 3 databases. So people databases, org databases, invoice database. So this is kind of how the visual looks like in Notion. So if you have an org database, you have client A, client B, and then it connects to a people database. So we have James and Thomas that belongs to client A, Hugo and Sarah belongs to client B. And the person created a rollup to get the email. And this is the relation to the invoice database here. So the people database is basically just a bunch of peoples with their emails and then the org that belongs to. The invoice DB is where Amanda B struggles with. So essentially what Amanda B is trying to do is that he or she has this invoice 123, and then it's linked to the organization database. So essentially every time he or she creates it, so invoice 124, and then you can select the client. So the idea is that you want it to automatically show up the contact name and the email. So you can have multiple contacts as well and multiple names. So what Amanda B tried to do is to create a rollup. So unfortunately it doesn't work because rollup doesn't work on top of another layer. Because what you're trying to do is you're getting the information from the org database and the people database. So essentially the data is here. So that's an easy workaround. Instead of just using rollup, you can just use formula. So just select formula property, and we're going to call this, I'm just going to delete this both. I'm going to call this contact name, and then I'm going to select organization database dot map current dot ap contact email and close it. So you can see it's probably showing up now. So essentially what map does is it plays around the list of items inside the databases itself. So you can think of it like a more powerful version of rollup. So if you want to know more about this, you can watch a very comprehensive video from Thomas Frank. But in this use case, it's very simple. Like you can just get the list here. Of course, you can do more with map as well. You can kind of filter data. You can kind of add things here and there. So now that we have the contact name, I'm going to just duplicate it. And we're going to do contact email. So this is the email, not name. So I'm going to change the name. So instead of email, we're going to select peopleDB. And then we should get the name. So if you don't want the name to do like this, we can kind of do something like, do like a format as well, just to make sure that it comes out like a text nicely. And that's it. So if you want to do a bit more, we can do something like join. So this is more like kind of escape, what I call it, just include an enter for them. You can see that if we wrap it around, it should do something like this. Did it not? Oh, I think because we do the formatting here. And this should work, yeah. Something like this. So we can even do like format at the end. Yep. There's it. So there you go. So this is how you can actually do rollup. Instead of using actual rollup, we use the formula called map. If this video helps you, please give a like and subscribe. And I'll see you again on the next video.